Everybody, welcome to my channel. Last month of June, my hotel give me a privilege as a best employee. So they give me 1 day spend my time in the sister company of my hotel. So I choose Harrods. I don't have idea about Harrods Hotel here. I choose Elat, but they said only in Dead Sea. So I choose Harrods, yeah, because of the name. That's why I choose it. And I will show it to you. Oh, we will avail only coffee and then lunch and dinner, and also we will do a spa and sauna up until 6 o'clock. Okay, please watch this. This is Harris sale shall not be liable for the theft, loss of damage caused during parking your vehicles and your permits. Thank you, the management. Malawak to. Papasok na ako. Pasok ako ulit. Tcharan! Automatic siya. Hindi mo na siya itutulak. Sinama ko si Trill. Kailangan kasi dalawa. Sayang kasi kung ako lang. Hi Trill. Welcome to... What's your feeling about this hotel? Maganda yung kanilang maganda yung kanilang lobby.
Oh, yes naman. Oh. Okay naman.
Maganda yung kulay. This is lucky color of this year. Yung design nila, may mga balon-balon sa taas. And then mamaya, magko-coffee muna kami doon, tsaka doon. Awan kung saan yung coffee. Doon ang dinner yata, Tril eh.
Doon ang dinner dito.
Dito ang coffee area, mag-coffee kami. And then mamaya, bababa kami dito. Bababa ako sandali, Tril.
Para mag-sauna tsaka mag-spa.
Hindi kaya pagalitan dito. Tingnan ko lang yung sauna. Sauna at saka ang ganda ng color nila. Lucky color of the year yan ngayon. Ayan Kung bibili ka ng mamahaling alahas dito, social Special discount, 1,000 diamond jewelry showroom. Oh. Diamond free shuttle service. Ano yan? Free shuttle service. Caution. Wet floor. Baba lang ako. Titignan ko lang. Ganda naman dito. I feel I am a princess. Wow. May isda din dito. May fish. Bibili ka ng lotion dito. Hotel guest. Free express facial. Free express facial to hotel guests. Wow. May facial ka. Oh, may garden dito. Ang ganda. Hi. It's okay to take video there? I will do video. It's okay? Video? I'm from the Leonardo Hotel.
Leonardo.
Ano siya maabuda?
I don't know.
Mata na. You're Indian?
No, I'm Syrian.
Sri Lankan. We have a Sri Lankan work. Buddha Saranay.
Yeah.
Leonardo have Sri Lankan. Yeah.
Okay.
Philippine, yeah. What's your name?
I'm Dilini.
What?
Dilin.
Delini. You lost your ID. Delini?
Yes.
Hi. Beautiful. You stay here. You're beautiful in this area. Can I go there? Wow. I need to wear swimsuit, right? Swimsuit. I need to wear swimsuit.
Simpson, what?
The swimwear.
Rob.
Robe only?
They give.
Panty and bra.
Oh, yes, they give.
Oh, really? Thank you. Wow. This is sauna, right? Sauna? Oh, where's the sauna? This is a sauna. This is hot. This surface area is sauna. It's hot.
Hot. Yes,
The water there is hot.
hot. Yes,
This is area is sauna.
hot. Yes.
Okay. Beautiful here. Beautiful. What's your name?
Dilini.
Dilini? Dilini. Nice to meet you, Dilini. I'm Leonsha.
Leon siya.
Leonsha in the hotel. Leonardo.
Maganda. Yun.
I in Sri Lanka, what is maganda? Alasan
Last night.
Lasan na? Oh, iskuti. Ganda dito. Maganda siya. Jacuzzi, magsasauna kami magbababad. Masarap dito magbabad. And then, may tubig din dito, oh. Cushion, wet floor. Ano meron sa dulo? Sa labas, may pwede kami maligo sa Dead Sea. Maganda. Massage area. Shalom! Parang Russian yung nag-entertain sa amin doon. Lada. It's very beautiful because the light from outside reflect to the sauna. I want to go there. I like sauna. So if we will going to the sea we will walk through, but it's already closed. Later we'll go there. Going to the Dead Sea area. We will go down there. And this is the toilet. This is a small hotel, but it's good. I fish. Shalom. I will go up. I come back to Trill. I go up. Bye-bye. A small hotel, but it's okay. I think I feel comfortable in this hotel. The color I like. Trill, ito na ako, Trill. Pupuntahan ko yung coffee area. Hintay mo ako dyan. May meeting room din sila. Wow! May bilihan din dito, oh, ng Diyan kami magko-coffee. 11 o'clock pa yun. May piano, social. Ibig sabihin may music dito. Ano meron dito? Office area na ito. Baka ako masitan na. Meeting room. Beautiful. I like to have a photo in this area.